Hey guys, on today's video we're gonna buy the battle pass, so let's get started. First of all, you do need enough V-Bucks. So right here are V-Bucks and you have to buy enough. What I suggest doing is always buying the max, so that's 13,500. It's just technically cheaper. But anyways, once you're done that, you can either go into the item shop. That's one way. You're gonna look through the item shop, you're gonna scroll down until you see battle pass. So from here you can click on it, and then we can just buy the battle pass for only 950 V-Bucks. Or you can just go back and then go into battle pass. From the battle pass tab, down here below you're gonna see get the battle pass. Same thing, it's gonna take you still to this screen. So those are the two ways you can buy the battle pass. Now once you buy the battle pass, you will no longer see it right there in the item shop. And just in case, if you're planning to gift this out to someone, you cannot use V-Bucks to gift it to someone else. However, in order to buy it for yourself, yes, you can use V-Bucks. Plus, I also want to let you know that you do not need to purchase the battle pass for yourself in order to gift it out. Right now, I don't have the battle pass for myself. However, if I go to this option, get the battle pass, I'm going to see the option to gift it as well. So on the bottom right hand side, you will see those three options: more info, gift battle pass, and then back. So I could technically go on and gift it out. So if I go right here, I could just choose someone and then just gift the battle pass without owning it myself. Obviously, you need to be friends for 2 days at least, so that's 48 hours. And you yourself need 2FA. Again, that's if you want to gift it out. But anyways, let's just go back. We're going to see buy battle pass. We're going to go ahead and buy it. Here we go. So right now what we could do is add some levels to this thing. However, I don't suggest doing that because you actually get levels as you play the game. So paying for them almost doesn't make sense because they are in fact free. Again, all you have to do is play the game. Plus, hey, with XP glitches that you can do on creative, which they're completely allowed to do, you guys can also level up a little bit faster that way as well, which is something that I stream. But anyways, right now what I'm gonna do is just select this option. So the one that's highlighted with white, that's the one that I highlighted, and that's the one I'm gonna purchase. So that's just the standard battle pass. And that's it. As soon as we buy the battle pass, we will get this. We can go ahead and equip it. We can claim some battle stars, which we need. And there we go. So at this point, here we go. We're all done. We have the battle pass. Right now it's level 1, obviously, because I have not played at all. And later on, once I level up and I get battle stars, because every time you level up, you get battle stars, you can go right here and claim any rewards. So I can go to battle pass rewards and keep claiming anything. Obviously, I need battle stars in order to claim these guys. So I could claim this right away because I already have 5 battle stars. However, what I like to do is claim the entire page, and that's something I'm gonna do later on. But anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.